Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you worried that your iPhone might have picked up a virus? While iPhones are generally secure, it's always good to know how to check for potential issues. Today, I'll walk you through a simple and straightforward way to check your iPhone for viruses using the setting app. First, check for unusual apps. Sometimes malicious app can be a source of the problem. Open the setting app, scroll down and tap General. Select for iPhone storage. Look for any unfamiliar and suspicious app. If you find any, tap on them and delete the app. Next, look into the battery usage. Malware can drain your battery quickly. Checking your battery usage can help you identify the problem. Go to the setting app, tap on battery, and review the battery usage by app. Look for any app consuming an unusually high amount of battery. If you see something suspicious, consider deleting the app. Next, check for configuration profile. Some malware install configuration profile to control certain settings on your iPhone. How do you go about it? Open the setting app, tap on General, then scroll down to VPN and device management. Look for any unknown profiles. If you find any, tap on the profile and select Remove Profile. Next, review the Safari setting. Malicious websites can sometimes cause issues. Clearing your browser data can help. Open the setting app, scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll to the bottom and select Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Next, you can check for data usage. Unusual data usage can be a sign of malicious activity. Open the setting app, scroll, and tap on Mobile Service. Scroll through the list to see data usage by app. Look for any app using excessive amount of data without reason. There you go guys, by following these steps, you can give your iPhone a thorough check for any sign of viruses. If you continue to experience issues or find something suspicious, it might be worth contacting the Apple support. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.